Hey everyone, I'm Matt Burns. We're here at CES 2013. I'm sitting here with Craig from Tactus Systems. And Craig, you have a Android tablet here.
Right, yes.
That's rather special.
Yes, so we've got the world's first tactile touchscreen tablet.
So tactile, meaning that there's buttons.
Right, so we got physical buttons that come out of the screen on demand. So it's tied into the Android API with our hardware solution. So when you need buttons, and for example, in this situation, we should have a portrait QWERTY keyboard. The buttons come on demand.
Let's just see it. Let's dive right in.
All right, so go into this application and up in the buttons.
So if you can zoom in there, there's the buttons. Make them go away now.
All right, and then we exit the app and the buttons go away.
One more time.
All right, so into the app, the buttons come up. There we go. So these are real and physical.
They feel like little tiny bubble wrap buttons.
Right. So these are basically fit buttons. They're about 1 millimeter tall. Allow you to do sort of classic thumb typing in this particular configuration.
So what's behind this?
So this is what's called microfluidic technology. So what we're doing, we're relying on a special window that's replaced the standard window on a touchscreen. And with the fluid channels inside, when we want to create buttons, we simply pressurize the fluid and the buttons come right out of the screen on demand.
Can do more than just a QWERTY keyboard?
Yeah, we can pretty much do any configuration you want on the screen. In this first implementation, we've done a portrait and a single configuration, but we can do multiple configurations. We can do gaming controls, really anything that's required to enhance the usability of the device.
Could you do a bubble wrap app?
Yes,
so
if you wanted to.
Pop bubble wrap?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. You can move the buttons up and down anywhere you want it on the screen.
That's great. So can I buy this right now?
No, so this is the first time we've shown a fully integrated tablet demo of our solution. Between now and the end of this year, we'll be moving this into production, and then commercial units will be available shortly after.
From you or from somebody else?
For somebody else. So we're a supplier of this hardware solution into OEMs. So the makers of the tablets will design tablets using this solution, and it's really a design tool. They can go off and create really exciting new user interfaces using the Tactus solution.
So who are your hardware brand partners?
We've got a number of partners. We're not in a position we can comment on who they are right now, but we're hard at work getting this integrated into a number of very exciting products.
So this tablet right here, is this just a prototype?
Yeah, so we actually have taken an off-the-shelf Android tablet, and we've retrofitted our solution. So this is the same physical dimensions, it's the same weight. All we've done is replaced a window with our what we call a tactile layer, and then we've added in our controller, and there's a simple API that controls the button state. This
really feels like the future, because instead of having a flat screen with buttons, you have real buttons.
No, these are real buttons. It's not tricking your senses. This is giving you a real physical solution. So it's really the ultimate user interface. It's everything you get everything about a normal touchscreen, but now you've got a tactile interface, and it's dynamically tactile.
And it's quick, so as soon as you exit out, they just disappear.
Yeah, it just disappears. It's all seamlessly tied into the operating system.
It's rather disconcerting when you see it for the first time, because they just kind of pop out of nowhere.
Yeah, it's. I have to say, this show has been fantastic with the amount of traffic we've had at the booth. You kind of put this in people's hands. Hey, just go into the app, and the surprise in their face when they see these buttons appearing out of the screen.
When we first saw it here at our booth, before we came up on the interview, you drew quite a large crowd.
Yes.
Everybody wanted to come over and see these buttons.
Yeah, no, it's very exciting. I mean, we've been at this for 4 or 5 years now. It's the first time we've done anything public at CES, and to get the response we've been getting, it's been really phenomenal.
Well, Craig, I really appreciate you stopping by. I mean, it's I'm sure it's not simple technology, but it's a very simple concept to add real buttons to your tablet. That's right. Well, we need to get you back to your booth so you can blow the minds of other people.
Appreciate it.
Craig, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Matt.
Have a great show.
Okay, thank you.